Smartphones have essentially become large rectangular slabs. Gone are the days where we had proper innovation in terms of design and form factor. Granted that it's quite difficult to innovate in terms of design, especially since a major part of a smartphone these days is dominated by the display itself. However, one manufacturer that stands out and innovates in terms of design is Honor. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and this is the design story of the Honor 9N, which is arguably one of the most beautiful smartphones in the market currently. Many manufacturers see the design of a smartphone to be a rudimentary requirement. They believe that it's mainly a vessel that houses the various components and features required for a smartphone. Honor, on the other hand, sees it as a feature in itself and believes that a properly designed smartphone can easily make things much easier and better for the end user. Honor focuses not just on the basic shape and structure, but also the materials used, the ergonomics, and the overall look and feel of the device. The 9N is a perfect example of all those thought processes coming into one single device. The 9N features a metal frame that's sandwiched by glass on either side. The glass itself is curved at the edges in 2.5D fashion, and the entire footprint of the device is very compact thanks to small bezels despite housing a 5.84-inch display. Most other smartphones are bigger despite housing similar sized or even smaller screens. The iPhone 8 Plus, for example, has a 5.5-inch display but is nearly 10mm taller and over 6mm wider than the 9N. All four corners of the 9N are also rounded. The result of premium materials and compact design is a phone that handles exceptionally well. Large screen smartphones are generally quite cumbersome to use as they strain your hands and aren't easy to grip. The 9N rewrites those traits by giving you something that's easy to hold and easy to pocket. The glass also gives it a premium feeling that you don't really find with other smartphones, especially in this segment. Lastly, the color choices are also beautiful. I could probably make an entire video on the color choices available for the 9N. It's available in 4 different colors, namely lavender purple, mostly for ladies, the sapphire blue that we have here, a midnight black for those who prefer a stealthier look, and lastly my personal favorite, the robin egg blue. All colors have a certain uniqueness to it as they also reflect light in different ways and as a result give output to various different shades of color. You really have to see them in person to understand the effect they have. All these together provide an enriching experience to the end user who will truly appreciate the thought and effort gone behind to make the design as good as it is. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.